Hi guys, I'm still in Port Huron. Well, I'm in Michigan. I'm not in Port Huron. I'm in Deckerville, Michigan. And we are at the cemetery of my great-grandparents and uncles and aunts. We have lots of plots here. So they come out every spring and we rototill and we plant flowers and we make it look all pretty. So that's what we're here doing. My mom is working on the Tanton side. That would be Granny's.
Where's your mother?
Mom went down there to Uncle David. She's coming right back.
Which way is it?
Right behind you.
Oh.
Sorry, Granny's asking. Tanton, this is Granny's maiden name. So Granny's already has a plot here. Let me show you. Okay, this right here is Granny's plot. Ruby E, 1925 to whenever. This would be her brother Eugene, her sister Bertha, her mother and father William and Esther, and this was her little brother that she never got to meet, Billy J.
He does.
We were just talking about the cemetery and how people don't really come and do this anymore, put flowers out. My mom and uncle were raised coming here to the cemetery on holidays and in between, and plant flowers in the spring, put Christmas stuff out at Christmas time. You still cold? Are you cold? Is it the sun on your neck?
No, I just turned it up.
Okay.
It was halfway up and the others were up, and so I just put them all the same.
Okay. You let me know if you get hot, cold, tired, or gotta go to the bathroom. Those four things, you just let me know. I am your bathroom queen today. I am your mother. I am your potty. Okay, so this is what my mom, she's got the rototiller out. And we've picked weeds and she's rototilled it, and now we're gonna be putting flowers out. Granny's out here supervising, and Obi is sitting next to her. He's babysitting. Granny's in charge and Obi's babysitting. Obi should be tired. We ran down there, ran back here, ran back, then we went over there, and then we walked back over here, and he walked the whole time. So he's got to be tired now. Are you tired, little Obi? Say hello, everyone.
You better tell him he's tired, so then he wouldn't want to get up.
Yeah, let him lay down and take a nap. Take a nap, buddy. And so if you guys haven't met, this is my granny. This is Ruby. She's 98. Well, she'll be 98 August 17th. And she's in charge. Right, Granny?
Don't ask anybody else. You'll say, are you crazy?
You just tell everybody you're in charge, but we know who really is in charge. Linda. And there's Linda and Uncle David down there. So we have Obi with us. We didn't want to leave him at the house for a long period of time because it took us about... How long did it take us to get here, Mom? About an hour?
Almost.
Yeah, about an hour to get up here. And then they're going to do a lot of work up here, and then we'll go back home. And tomorrow, I get on that plane and I go back to Florida where it's nice and hot.
If you have a ride.
If I have a ride. You won't take me, Mom?
Rose said you need to stay another week.
Rose said that?
It'll keep Tracy and Tina away. Oh, shouldn't have said that, huh?
Oh, that's fine. Yep, it'll keep Tina and Tracy away if I stay another week. They won't have a reason to come over. I am the dandelion girl. I've been getting them all in Mom's backyard. I like my little tool. Get down in there. And, oops. There you go. One dandelion extracted. I know there's a whole bunch more around here, but I'm not going around and doing them.
You've been walking miles in here.
Obi has been walking a lot. I had him running back and forth and over to the bathroom and then back over here. And he's tired, but he wants to be closer to me. And I'm just taking a rest. And a poll from you guys, just wondering what your thoughts are. I went to go sit on my great aunt's headstone. I wanted to sit down. I don't have a seat. And I asked my mom, I said, is it disrespectful? Is it not right, you know, to sit on someone's headstone? And she's like, go ahead. She won't mind.
Well, if there's a lot of other people there, you wouldn't want to.
Right, with it just being us family.
But if you're there by yourself and you're looking and looking, pretty soon you want to keep on looking, but you have to have a little rest.
Yep. So I'm just taking a little rest on him. Obi's just kind of like looking all around.
It's not easy to carry a chair or folding chair or anything.
Yeah.
So if you can park close by, and then you can take a chair and sit down and
Yep.
watch the people.
I figured if I needed a real big break, I'll just go sit in the truck.
Yeah, so know what people are, then they might want to know who you are.
I don't know what they're doing down there.
And
There, now Obi's taking a rest. He realized I'm not going anywhere.
my grave is over there.
No, yours is right over here, Granny.
I'm not being buried there. That's some of my parents.
Your parents are right over here.
My parents are there?
Yep, let me show you. And Mom has returned with the flowers. I went over to the Fink side to check and see what my uncle was up to. He was just putting out some dirt, and then he put out some grass seed. He asked the cemetery if they would be able to level that ground out, and they said that they don't have the dirt to do it. What do they do with the dirt when they dig up the graves? Who knows? So my uncle just brought it himself and made it look nice. That's my Uncle Jay's, and his wife Rosemary will be next to him. But I think they did a really good job on his headstone with that Harley. He was a Harley guy. He loved his Harleys. On the other side of him, that's my Uncle Gary and his wife Josie. And then that's where my grandfather's at. It says John, but his real name was Toby. When he came over here from the other country, from the old country, they messed up his name and gave him John. And his brother, whose name was Johnny, they gave him Charles. So we always went by Toby and Johnny, or they went by Toby and Johnny. But I guess they did that to a lot of people, changed people's names, Americanized their names. Idiots. Oh, sorry. But they did a really good job on the flowers and the dirt, and that's where my Uncle David's going to have his headstone. That's my granny's, and to the left of her is where my mom's headstone will go. But just look how pretty they did. Then we went and sat underneath the tree and had lunch. We picked up sandwiches and we talked and had a good time. Granny walked back and forth between the Tantons and the Finks, and she told me stories. We just had a good time. Then my uncle went over and worked on some other family members. It would be my great-grandfather, Grandpa Walker, and Grandma Walker, and then the Dumas, which we didn't stay for that. It was a long day, but we had a good time. Hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, thank you for being here, and I love you all, and see you next time. Bye.